Most of us would never worry about water, which is why an image like this can be so striking. In this photo, the author takes a familiar object and a familiar scenario and introduces an idea that to most of us is very unfamiliar. We understand the bench, we relate to the bench, and we can conclude that the bench shouldn't look like this. Though upon further investigation, we understand why it does. Most of us know the familiar scenario of a stranger who monopolizes all of the space on a bench and thus understand the frustration. After an environmental chemistry course last semester, though, I have genuinely begun to understand the author's frustration with strangers monopolizing water in the same sense. Both scenarios are unnecessary and harmful, though not obviously so. We don't always realize it, but we share water, and there really is a limited amount. 85% of the water we use daily comes from freshwater sources that occupy only 3% of the world's water sources. Every time we use this water to irrigate crops covered in harmful fertilizers, to cool down machinery and electric power plants, or to bathe in, we pollute it. And while water can be recycled, it is not always economically feasible. So maybe think of Lake Hartwell and all that we have put into it over the years. And be mindful of your water footprint.